All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Yeah. Now we're walking over this dodgy bridge. No, it's not that dodgy. If we dodgy it back home, it won't be allowed, but it's alright here. Now we're going to the waterfall. Picnic at the waterfall. Part of the Elephant Friends Chiang Mai experience. Oh, outside the end of the street, and we go to the waterfall. Good morning.
Okay.
I'm looking at that dog. There was a dog. There it is. Dog followed us all the way. It won't bite, will it? I don't like dogs. Should have put my trainers on. I'm going down to the waterfall. I can hear the waterfall now.
Yeah. Oh, waterfall is very cool. So many elephants. They say now COVID.
Oh, get rid of that dog.
Very far.
I don't like dogs.
Your home?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
We don't have any wild dogs. They're all in.
For two dogs.
So we're still going down these steps to the waterfall. Should have brought the drone here. So we're almost at the waterfall, the secret waterfall.
Over there, it's okay. Take a plate, put it back over there. Relax, yeah.
Hello. Are you okay? You don't bite? No health and safety in Thailand, it's great. I can feel like a kid again without getting in trouble. And here we are at the great secret waterfall. I can do a secret location video like all the other YouTubers do. Let's put my feet in here and hope they don't get bit off by a anaconda or whatever one of the big snakes are called. It looks pretty deep. Are you eating? It's wrapped in a green bamboo leaf.
Yeah, same, but different.
Oh, is this pad thai, is it? Chicken pad thai. Lovely, jubbly.
Thai style, good.
Here with my hand.
Yeah.
By a waterfall. You don't get knives and forks and spoons at waterfalls.
Yeah. Chicken. Oh no, you know chicken. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Chicken. Picnic by the waterfall.
Yeah.
Dog. This.
Yeah, for the dog. Okay.
There we go. I can even drop sticks, look.
I'm not sure.
What's that?
Like
I think it's a duck. There, look.
No.
Look at this.
Everything.
Look at that, look.
I got only him.
Oh,
Okay.
no. Dear. What are you saying? Now you keep the food warm in this. This bamboo leaf, keep the food warm. Banana leaf. I meant banana leaf. Banana leaf. I meant banana leaf. We're on our way back now from the waterfall. I've been walking in this dense jungle for a while now. Our guide said it's 5 minutes, 20 minutes ago. I'll show you what's in front of us. Look at this. Look at this terrain. But actually it's not bad because there's no rose bushes, so that's worry about them, and there's no stinging nettles. So all good. Just snakes and bears and lions and crocodile. And a few geckos. A couple of elephants. But no rose bushes and no nettles. So it's all good. That's all the sugar cane over there. This hour outside Chiang Mai, you get all the, even half an hour. Spring onions. Onions. Yeah. We've got the onion coronavirus at the moment. Omicron onions.
I don't know.
Oh, what smells that? Lavender? No. Lemongrass. You can't see this on the video, but it smells very strong. Lemongrass.
This eggplant. You know eggplant?
Plum.
Yeah, this
Eggplant.
you put for curry. Like everything is very so good. This spicy
Chili.
Taxi, chili.
Oh, look at the chili growing.
Yeah. Like here, like
We've got everything here.
log eggplant. This is a log eggplant.
Look at this.
Small eggplant.
We've got everything. We've got a kitchen.
This is for the tree eggplant.
Got a kitchen growing here. You make anything. Just need a couple of
Onions, like
onions. We just need a couple of cows and some chickens. You can get the fish in the river. You don't have to go. You can cook. You say you don't have to go to the supermarket. You can just go around the field.
yeah.
No big C. No 7-Eleven. Just a field.
Oh, rainy is coming.
Yes, I know. I said.
It's a big tree, broken.
Yeah, see that? It's huge. Elephant did it. That must have been an old tree. Count the rings on that, see how old it is.
The tree like broken. The people that tell me how old, 100 years old.
100-year-old tree.
The fruit, jackfruit.
Oh, jackfruit.
Yeah. No durian.
I don't know, what are them things? What are these? What are them black things? In there. What's the lady doing with the black?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's she?
Rubber tree. You know rubber tree?
No?
Come on, I show you.
What is it, lavatory?
It's a rubber tree, you know?
Lavatory.
Put, like the water, only the white. You put for a sleepy bag, you know?
A sleeping bag,
Yeah,
really?
you see.
Oh, look at that, look.
Yeah, you lady say here.
So he never said, he never said lavatory, he said rubber tree.